So I already washed her hair with shampoo and conditioner. Right now I'm using hand dryer to just blow dry the hair and also straighten the hair at the same time.
One time the request of 42 person web on you. I never.
To further style the hair, I'm sectioning the hair into two different portions, the back portion and the front portion, making the back portion a little bit bigger than the front portion.
I want try lose you, try them no on me well. I know fit tire for your matter like say I know do.
So right now I'm just cornrolling the hair. I'm cornrolling the hair at the back. That's the back portion like so. And as I'm cornrolling it, I'm adding all the tips to each other. Hi loves, welcome back again to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. So this is the most easiest but complicated half up half down hairstyle. Please share the video to friends and family, leave a comment. Do not forget to also give the video a big thumbs up. So yeah,
suddenly man down for only you. Many men they try to want me. I know really man them just they whiny. Many girls they try to want you. Jojo, my baby Jojo, my baby Jojo.
And for the last tip, I'm just using needle and thread to just secure it like so. Alright, moving on. This is the hair we are going to be using, and this hair actually came like this. My client got it from a random vendor on Instagram. I don't know the name of the vendor. I like the concept of the hair, but I do not like the texture of the hair. Like, the texture is a no-no, but the concept is so good. And she actually got this hair for like 20,000 naira. I don't know if this hair is worth it. You guys just look at it. It looks good though on camera, but right now I'm trying to measure the hair. Like, I'm trying to measure the weft or the wig hair. I'm trying to measure it on the cornrow, and I figured out that I made a little mistake. So I made a little mistake on the cornrow. So I'm just going to loosen out the sides. I actually kept that part just to cover up the weaves, or just to cover up the hair. That's the extension, but I'm just going to lose it up and cornroll it. After cornrolling, I'll still go ahead to secure it with needle and thread. I know that's double work, but I still have to do it sharp because I want the work to actually, or the hair or the style to look so neat, because she's going for an event. So this is what the back of the hair, this particular one, this is what I'm going to be installing at the back. And the front, I actually forgot to show you guys, but yeah, you guys will see me install it as well. So I really don't know what to call this. I don't know if I should call it a wig or I should call it like a bundle or a weave. I don't know what to call it, but you guys, I love the concept. Trust me. I think I'm even going to do like a video on how to achieve this kind of half up half down. Yeah, I'm going to do a video on this, on how to make it, not the installation, because this is already the installation, because it made my work so easy. And just in case you come across this particular or this type of hair, do not panic. Just watch this video so that you see the way I'm going to install it. It's so simple. Like, it made my job so simple. Alright, after making the adjustments, I'm using a needle and thread to just secure the back section like so, which is really simple. Like, I'm securing the extension onto her head like so. So you do not need to start sewing bundles line by line. This one is just straightforward since it's a very full hair, so it's just to secure that top part to the cornrow. That's it, and the hair is perfectly made like that. So that's it, just for the back. So like I said before, if you would like to see a video on how to make this type of wig or this simple hair install, like the wig itself, if you want to see it, just let me know in the comment section below. After installing the back, moving to the front, I'm just applying a wax stick, like I'm applying wax to the hair. And after that, we'll just go ahead to use both the hot comb and also the straightener to straighten the hair, because I I only want to use a spray. I do not want to use a gel. You guys know the black gel I normally use. I don't want to use that for this natural hair. I only want to use spray, and I will be using the Got to Be spray.
One time, Tiri boss a 42% whip on you. I no go want to try lose you, try they don't burn me well. I know fit tire for you, man, I lie, say I know do. Suddenly, man, I come down, man, down for only you, yeah. Many men that try to whine you, I don't really mind that just they.
Once I'm done stretching the hair, I'm just going to style the hair into like a pony, and then just cornrow or box braid the tip and secure the tip as well before going on to attaching the extension to the
Whiny, many girls that try to whine me. Baby, no go mind them, just they whine me. Many mind that try to whine you. I don't really mind that, just they whiny. Many girls that try to whine me. Baby, no go mind them, just they whiny. So me say, ciao.
Before attaching the extension to the pony, I'm just smoothing the surface. I'm just smoothing the surface of the front part of the hair using a spray gel, Got to Be spray gel. And as I'm spraying, I'm using a small comb to smoothen it. As I'm smoothing, I'm using my hand dryer to as well dry it so that it will dry that same way. You guys just watch the video.
Look into my eyes, oh baby. Will you be my wife, oh baby? Baby, oh yeah, raga for me, ciao. Look into my eyes, oh baby. Will you be my wife, oh baby? Baby, Jojo, my baby Jojo, my baby Jojo, Jojo.
And for the installation, I did not use any needle and thread. I just installed it, and then it came with this securing rope. So I installed, after putting it on the head, I just dragged the rope and locked it. I locked the rope in, and then, take the rope round and round and round like that until it firm.
I'm in now, so man now, and so me go, just see me now. It be like you be my destiny now. This kind of love ain't no dissimilar. I'm in now, more to me ya, more like go tell me now. No, me orika kirimo. Sumo me girl, baby, speak to me now. Many men that try to whine you. I don't really mind that, just they whiny. Many girls that try to whine me. Baby, no go mind them, just they whiny. Many mind that try to whine you. I don't really mind that, just they whiny. Many girls that try to whine me. Baby, no go mind them, just be whiny. So me say, ciao. Look into my eyes, oh baby. Will you be my wife, oh baby? Baby, oh yeah, raga for me, ciao. Look into my eyes, oh baby. Will you be my wife, oh baby? Baby, Jojo, my baby Jojo, my baby Jojo. I shall need.
One time the request of 42% web on you. I never want try lose you, try them no on me. Well, I know fit tire for your matter like say I know do. Suddenly man down for only you. Many men they try to.
Yeah, here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hope it's helpful. Hope you're able to learn something from this video. You can get all products used on our website. All the products we use on this hair, you can get it on our website. So the link will be in the description box below. So don't forget to share the video to friends and family. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave a comment in the comment section below and give the video a big thumbs up. We'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye. Stay blessed.
I know really mind them, just they whiny. Many girls try to whine you.
Jojo, my baby Jojo, my baby Jojo, Jojo.